Eighth question, here A matrix given, that is 3 by 3 matrix, is a symmetric matrix. So A matrix is a symmetric matrix, then what is the value of X? So as per the definition of the symmetric matrix is A transpose equals to A, then A is called a symmetric matrix. So A transpose nothing but, here first row will become first column minus 1, 2, 3, next to 2, 5, 6, 3x 7. So it is equals to matrix A, that is minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 3x 7. So it is very clear, left side right side both are 3 by 3 matrices and it's between equal symbol. So then we can equate the corresponding elements. So actually he is asking x value, so that is why here x corresponding to 6. So then x equals to 6 is a answer. Here also you can equate x equals to 6. Ninth question, express the matrix. So your total 3 questions are given. So every matrix has the sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So we know very well, if A transpose equals to A, then A is called a symmetric. If A transpose equals to minus A, then it is called a skew symmetric matrix. So before starting this exercise, we have one theorem in our textbook. In that theorem, he said every square matrix can express as a sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So in that he used one condition, 1 by 2 bracket of A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 bracket of A minus A transpose. So before using this condition, we need to find out the A transpose answer. So first A transpose is, here first row will become first column 2, 1, 3, and here second row will become second column 1, 1, 4, third row will become third column minus 1, 6, 2. So next I am going to find out the A plus A transpose answer. So A plus A transpose means add the corresponding elements. So 2 plus 2, 4, 1 plus 1 is 2, 3 plus minus 1 is 2. Next to 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 4 plus 6 is 10, minus 1 plus 3 is 2, 6 plus 4 is 10, 2 plus 2 is 4. So A plus A transpose. Next to A minus A transpose. So A minus A transpose means subtract the corresponding elements. So here 2 minus 2 is 0. Next to 1 minus 1 also a 0. So here 3 minus of minus 1 is 4. Next to 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0, 4 minus 6 is minus 2, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4, 6 minus 4 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. So let's use this condition now. So here A means given matrix. So what is a given matrix? So 2, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 6, 3, 4, 2 is a given matrix. So it is equals to 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose. Here is a plus A transpose. So 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 10, 2, 2, 10, 2, 10, 4, 2, 10, 4 plus 1 by 2 into A minus A transpose. Here is a minus A transpose, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, minus 2, minus 4, 2, 0. So it is equals to, let's multiply 1 by 2 in inside. 1 by 2 into 4 is 2, 1 by 2 into 2 is 1, 1 by 2 into 2 also 1. So here 1, here also 1, here 1 by 2 into 10 is 5. 1 by 2 into 2 is 1, here 5, and here is a 2. So plus 1 by 2 multiply and inside 1 by 2 into 0 is 0, here also 0, here is a 2, 0, 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 0. So now the given matrix expressed as a sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So next, similarly, find out the second one. So first of all, take this as a matrix A. So first I am going to find out the A transpose matrix. So A transpose equals to, first row will become first column 3, 2, 3. Next here 4, 5, 2. Next to 1, 6, 7. So next A plus A transpose answer. So let's add the A matrix and A transpose matrix. Okay. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 4 is, it is also 6. Next 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 plus 2 6, 5 plus 5 10, 6 plus 2 8, 1 plus 3 is 4, 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 7 14. Next to A minus A transpose matrix. So just subtract the A matrix and A transpose matrix. Here 3 minus 3 is what? 0. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 3 minus 1 it is 2. 4 minus 2 2. 5 minus 5 0. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Next 6 minus 2 is 4. 7 minus 7 is 0. So let's use the condition. So A equals to 1 by 2 mod A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2, sorry, not mod, bracket, so A minus A transpose. So A means the given matrix. So the given matrix is 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, 6, 3, 2, 7 equals to 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose, answer is here 6, 6, 4, 6, 10, 8, 4, 8, 14 plus 1 by 2 into A minus A transpose. So A minus A transpose answer is here 0, minus 2, 2, 2, 0, minus 4. So minus 2, 4, 0. So let's simplify now. 1 by 2 multiply inside. 1 by 2 into 6 is 3, 3. 1 by 2 into 4 is 2. Here 3. 1 by 2 into 10 is 5. 1 by 2 into 8 is 4. Here 2, 4. 1 by 2 into 14 is 7. Plus 1 by 2 multiply inside. 1 by 2 into 0, 0. 1 by 2 into minus 2 is minus 1. 1 by 2 into 2 is 1. 1, 0, 1 by 2 into minus 4, minus 2, here minus 1, 1, sorry, here it is 2, 0. So now the given matrix expressed as a sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Next to the third question, same, take it as a matrix A. So first I am going to find out the A transpose. So A transpose equals to 1, 3, 5. So next I am going to find out A plus A transpose answer. Add the matrix A and A transpose. Okay. So corresponding elements. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So next to A minus A transpose answer. Subtract the matrix A and A transpose matrices. So here the corresponding elements are 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is A minus A transpose. So let's use the condition A equals to 1 by 2 bracket of A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 bracket of A minus A transpose. A matrix means the given matrix. So 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose matrix. So that is 2 minus 3 1. So let's simplify. 1 by 2 multiplying inside 1 by 2 into 2 is 1 here, minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 16 by 2 8, 9 by 2 here, 1 by 2, 9 by 2 5, plus same here also 1 by 2 multiplying inside here 0, 9 by 2, 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2, 0 minus 3 by 2 minus 9 by 2, 3 by 2, 0. So now the given matrix is expressed as a sum of the symmetric and skew symmetric matrices.